In 2026, it feels like AI is suddenly everywhere. Social media, videos, apps, everyone is talking about it. AI can now create images, write text, edit videos, and even talk like a real assistant. That's why so many people are curious about it. Many workers use AI to save time, organize tasks, and become more productive during the day. Content creators are also using AI tools to make thumbnails, scripts, and short videos much faster. Students use AI to learn new topics, summarize lessons, and get help understanding difficult ideas. But there's also a problem. Too much AI content online can feel overwhelming and exhausting. Sometimes people can't even tell what's real anymore. AI images and videos are becoming incredibly realistic. That's why many people still value human creativity, real emotions, and authentic stories. The smartest approach may not be replacing humans with AI, but learning how humans and AI can work together. AI is changing the world very quickly, but in the end, creativity, kindness, and human ideas will always matter most more.